everybody, my name is Arshita Hell and
Hi everybody, my name is Amar Chahal.
welcome to my space. Today we're going to do a hydraulic plane launcher and this is a smartivity activity. So we're going to do it step by step with you. Okay, so we have the instruction manual, we have some stuff, tools and bullets. We have this to make the planes
Then for paper.
and some more tools and the cardboard to make the shape. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna put everything here and start reading the instruction manual. So launcher top. First we're gonna make the launcher top. What we need is from sheet 1. Okay, so the launcher top we need all 3 sheets. Let's move on for the first step. We need the pulling plate which looks like this. The number is 1 and it's on sheet 3. And we need the striker. I can do some striker. So we have to put it through here. Okay, now this may not be very stable, so we need the T-lock from the pouch. Okay. So the T-lock, it's supposed to go through here. And punch it over here. It's very hard to put it inside. Do the same over here, Amara. And here it goes inside. So this may be a little hard and tricky. You can take help of the parents. Okay, so once you have put them on both the sides. Okay, so now I would like Amara to put this T-lock over here. Okay. Very good. Wait, let me just straighten it. Very good, Amara. So that was the fourth step. You have to push it entirely. Okay, now we need the top guide from the first step. The second sheet. Okay, it looks like a bow and arrow. Now as you can see here, there's an arrow here. Let me show it nicely. There's an arrow here. Using that, but put it through. So perfect. And now I'm gonna give me a T-lock. Click. And put it in. This is also hard, you can ask your parents help. Once you're done with it, you can move it very flexible. Yes. Now the sixth one. All you need is the striker front, which is on the third sheet. Now its title is 4, and you have to put it over here at the back side. Okay, so I have aligned it here. Okay, now after that, next step, the 7th step, we need a small band and a hook. So the hook I will take out, the small band I will request someone to take out. Yes, very good. Yeah, put it open. Now this step will be done by my sister since it's very easy. So Amara, what you have to do is put in this gap. You have to attach. So in this gap over here, Amara, you have to attach it like this, like that over here, like this, and then put it over here. Okay, can you do it? Come on, do it. Leave the hook. Okay, focusing. And do it. And done. Well done. Now using the hook, I'll just tighten it a bit. Okay, and yeah. This step has been done by my little sister Amara. So you can see the detailed version over here. The 7th step has been done. The 8th step, we need to do this. You have to do it all again. So you have to take another one. This one I'm doing. Do the same. Put it over here and voila. Okay, so I need the help of the hook because it's stuck here. Okay. Perfect. Can you see? This is how it should be looking by now if you're following this video nicely. So step 9. We need a side guide from sheet 1. Okay, now this part will come in handy. When it's finished over here, the arrow should be pointing here and put this through here. Wait, my God. Okay. This is a bit confusing step. Okay, so now we have got it plugged in using these orange rubber bands which are very soft. You have to stick it over here, they won't fall. Okay, do the same over here. and this over here. Now it's supposed to go very fast. It should be looking like this till now if you have been following this video. In the step 10, you have to do the same thing using your, no, not the same thing, I mean from the sheet 3, use the entitled 5. Amaya, can you give it to me? I found it. So now this gap over here, you have to fill it, putting this here. Now only one part will go. Okay, use a tire. These tires, open it up. Okay. Just need to use one tire right now and put it over here. These are like rubber bands but super hard. But right now it looks like a broken ship that's getting fixed. So now you have to, in the 11th step, you have to use a trigger. A trigger. So this trigger will be going through it in from this hole. Okay. Which will be touching, which will be placed over here like this. Okay. Now this 12th step, we need a side guide again. So Amaya, can you give me a side guide? Okay. You have to place it exactly the same how you place the other one. Okay. Use the tire again to fit it over here. Okay. Now right now it's looking like a launcher, a rocket launcher. Can you see? Now what does it look like?
Like a rocket.
Exactly.
Like rocket doesn't have the thing.
Rocket has those. Okay. So now is the sticking part. Take the rubber band. Thank you, Amaya. Another one. If this thing is disturbing you, you can always move it. And perfecto. Dun dun. Now the step number 13. What we need is a back plate, which is from the sheet number 1. Amaya, can you pass a back plate with number 7? Thank you. This and a trigger guide with number 8. And a tiny blue band. Okay, man. We need 4 of those here. Right over here, its end. You have to put the black back plate. Okay, fit it nicely. Okay, madam. So give me one of these blue bands. Place it like this. One more, please. Yes.
And it's on top.
Thank you, man. And put it over here. Now it's joined. Now we use the trigger plate, which is the step part 2 of this step. You have to place it right over it. Over here. I need 2 of those blue bands again, Amaya. One. So slow. Yeah, now we are on step 14. Okay, so you need the 2 orange. I have one of them out. Can you mind take out one?
Oh, we were already out.
So now you have to hold it like this. It's a triangle. And oh my god, it's moving. You press it over here. You can try it. Exactly. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so we have to put 2 of them over here, not only one. You have to put 2 of them to make it tight, I guess. Perfect. Okay, step 15. We need a bottom guide with the number. It's not really visible, but thank you, Amaya. It's from sheet 2 for your information, and you're supposed to place it over here. Nice. Okay, this is the holding area which we will construct in a while, but this is the ramp which will put the plane. Now, Amaya has already seen the book. We need 2 of these tiny bands going over here.
2 are guys and 2 big orange bands.
Yes. Do not use the green rubber bands, please. And they're too big, so they're kind of useless. No, Amaya. Okay, so step number 16. Oh, I need 2 plane guides right now. Oh, you already have it. So their entitle is 10, and we need 2 of those. So right now we're supposed to attach it over here at the back side. Turn it around, okay? And put it right over here. Yes, Amaya, we will. We need 2 orange ones, yeah.
I will, but I just There's a lot of old designs.
Yeah. Okay, and then do the same on this side. Now tell me if it's looking good. Huh?
Yeah, it's looking cool. I think you should go back.
No, we don't. Not on this step. But you can take them out of each of the differences.
If you need one, we don't have to keep it out.
Yep. See, next step is that.
Oh, there you go.
Keep it around like this,
And I got two on.
and stick them like that. Thank you, Maya. Take 2 more out, please. Maybe 4.
I got three on. And like
This is the pulling plate.
like a one now, okay?
Yeah.
And see that. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So this is kind of a knob which stops it, and it can't move. The bottom part can't move. But if you open it from here, it can move. Wait. It's a bit hard. Okay. So I'll put it very good now, and ta-da! So now we need the medium band, the green band, 8 of them, Amira.
I'm gonna go for orange.
We'll use them later. Okay, open it like this. 8 of them. Take out the number.
This is special.
This is a very hard rubber band.
And
4 bands on one side and 4 bands on one side. Yeah. So on the same area, you have to place it 4 times. So 2 have been done. Yeah. Now, can you do it? Just place it over here. Okay, attach it, and this is just the left hand side, Myra.
Oh, I understand.
Next two I'll be doing because you're doing it really slow. That's fine.
I will do fast.
We will pass.
We're stuck. Now you're done. There's a beautiful rocket.
Okay. So you have to mind your fingers. Okay. Okay. This is.
Now it's super tight. Yeah.
I'll tell you. There's a mind your fingers warning. Oh, it's really hard.
And the look is super.
Oh, this is so hard. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, man. At the count of 4, you have to pull this down. Okay. So this goes at a really fast speed. The moment you left it open.
I think when you get to the go, flat, 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 flat.
21.
Great job, doing lot of it.
Okay, so well done. You're on your 21st step. So you need the bottom plate and 2 plus screws. Thank you, Mara. Apparently, and you need 2 candy bands, please.
Oh, nice. Now we're going to talk to you. Why are you doing it? I got screen by screen.
It's okay. You can take out one more.
Why?
Nah, this one.
Already there.
Yes.
I only see 2 3 minutes. I'm gonna tell you for that.
Okay, now step number 22. You have to put this over.
It's like a butt. It's like a rush. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I thought these are bad. I mean, 4.
It's okay.
Just 2 minutes.
Yes.
I got 2.
Okay, so here we are done with our first part.
I didn't